Did I spend more than $60 on 3 shirts? It depends on the shirts, right? Statement 1 tells us that the most expensive shirt was more than 30 bucks. So was it 31 bucks? Was it $1 million? Were the other 2 shirts free? Were they very expensive? I don't know. There's really no way for us to answer the question with just statement 1 on its own. All we know is that I spent more than 30 on the 3 shirts. Did I spend more than 60 in total? I don't know, because I don't know anything about the other 2 shirts. With statement 2 on its own, if I spent more than 20 bucks on the cheapest of the 3, then even if they were all the same price, and even if I only spent $20.01, which was the cheapest that I possibly could have spent, then I'm already at $60.03, which is already more than 60. Any other scenario would be even more expensive. So at the bare minimum, if all 3 shirts are the same price, and I spent only $20.01 each, I'm already over 60. So statement 2 is sufficient on its own. I definitely spent more than 60 bucks on 3 shirts, and therefore the correct answer is B. If you found this video useful, go to quantreasoning.com for a lot more where that came from. You should also click that like button and let me know in the comments below what you'd like me to make future videos about. And of course, if you haven't yet subscribed, go ahead and do that and click that bell below so you get notified about future videos. See you next time.